Okay, hi. Sorry. Capricorn naman tayo. Capricorn, ano ba meron sa inyo, Capricorn? Kumusta na kayo? Ay, wait lang. Capricorn, okay, i-clarify ko kasi may nasisense ako eh. Pero titignan natin. Ano meron? Lost state. Okay. Safe place. Okay, the lovebirds, all right? And the imagined place. Capricorn, I don't think that if you're single and you're actually opening up your heart, I don't think that you would fall for the usual person that or the usual character of a person that you go out on a date with. Medyo iba to, medyo mag-iiba sa. I also uh, feel like na iba siya in a way kasi parang hindi na ganon yung mga qualities na hinahanap mo. Parang you are gearing towards sa mas matured, sa mas sigurado, mas may utak na partner. I'm sorry, pero diretsahan na. Yan, so mas may utak na partner. Yun na yung hinahanap mo ngayon para nagkaroon ng switch, okay? And tulad ng lagi ko sinasabi, what you want in life, usually, kapag na-feel mo siya, you are leaning towards it. And ito din yung sinasabi ng mga cards, alright? So possible meeting of someone that you don't usually go. Possible meeting of someone na hindi mo usual na dinidate and you will like it. Yung change na ganong environment. Same with the couples, okay? Capricorn na mga couples, change of environment, change of situation is coming. And this season is very transformative for you. Kung nasa punto ka ng buhay na medyo salat, medyo hirap, babaguhin niya. May bagong mangyayari. I don't know, maybe Saturn is working in a way na parang kino-complement na kayo with the lessons that you got and na-realize sa mga past. So, yeah. Um, Gradual na change. So, hindi kayo mabibigla. And I believe this is something na you have been dreaming of. You have been waiting for. Okay?